What is the sum of the interior angle measures of a heptagon? So to find that, we do the number of sides, using the formula, number of sides minus 2 times 180. And the number of sides in a heptagon is 7, so 7 minus 2, 180. So that's 5 times 180, which 5 times 180 is equal to, let's see, 180, 900. So the interior sum is 900 degrees, or the sum of the interior angle measures of a heptagon. What is the measure of angle P in quadrilateral PQRS? So this will be using consecutive angles. So angle P and angle S are consecutive angles. So that'll equal 180 degrees. So 64 plus x equals 180. And you subtract 64 from both sides. So 64. 180 minus 64 is 104 or 116. So x equals 116 degrees, or not x, P is equals 116 degrees. And to check, add 116 plus 64. 1, 6, 7, 8, 180 degrees. So angle P is equal to 116 degrees. P. For what value must PQRS be a parallelogram? So first, we have to find x, and PQ is equal to SR, because in a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent. So 3x minus 5 equals 2x plus 1. Add 5 and subtract 2x. So you get x equals 6. Then you have to find y. So y, you do x, you replace it with 6. So 6 plus 2, which is 8, equals y. So y equals 8, and x equals 6. And to put that in, SR would be 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1. So SR equals 13. And PQ would have to be equal to 13. Y is equal to 8. So QR equals 8. And PS would also have to be equal to 8. Quadrilateral ABCD, a rhombus, rectangle, or square. Well, it has to be at least a rectangle or a square, because all angles are equal to 90 degrees. But in a square, because a square is also a rhombus, all sets of sides must be equal, and these are not, which makes ABCD a rectangle, because it has the 4 angles that are equal to 90 degrees, and opposite sides are equal. Can you conclude that the parallelogram is a rhombus, rectangle, or square? In this, the answer is yes, you can. And it would be a rhombus. Because in a rhombus, diagonals bisect and create perpendicular, or they're perpendicular. So that creates 90-degree angles, as you can see. And diagonals bisect, and that's proven right here and right here. So you can conclude that the parallelogram is a rhombus. Find angle F. So, in a trapezoid, base angles are equal, which means it's basically like this. Base angles are equal. So using that, we can tell that 65 degrees, this would also have to be equal to 65 degrees. So angle F equals 65 degrees.